This video demonstrates the editorial mode of the measuring polyphony score editor. So the scribe made one mistake in this motet, Fauvel knew. He left out a dot, which throws off the alignment at the end of the piece. So it occurs right at this moment. If I click on this pitch here, I can see the staff where this happens. And there ought to have been a dot added in right before the last two semibreves of the piece right here. So this is a scribal error, therefore I'm going to have to move into editorial mode to make this correction. So I click this button, continue in editorial mode. It warns me that once I proceed in editorial mode, I can't go back anymore to the music input screen. So all of these changes that I've made will be fixed from now on. So I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to make that change. So all I'm going to do is click on this pitch and add a dot to it. And we can see now how it's lining up properly at the end of the piece. And you might also be curious as to how this is reflected in the MEI file. So I'm going to download the MEI score, and then I'm going to open it up in a code editor. So here's the file I just downloaded, and it's going to be somewhere in the middle here in the motetus voice. But I'm going to do a search for the word choice because it gets recorded as a choice element in the MEI. So the correction is right here, correction. I added a dot to that pitch, and the sick is what was there previously where there was no dot. So this is how all the editorial corrections are recorded in editorial mode so that you can keep track of the changes that you made as an editor versus the corrections that you were just making to your data entry if you had made the mistakes.